Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake thin mint cookie pie. It's a thin mint cookie crust, a mint-flavored cream filling with thin mints mixed through, and it's topped with a mint-flavored chocolate ganache and garnished with whipped cream, more ganache, and thin mints. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. To make the crust, add the thin mints into a food processor, or you can put them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. If thin mints aren't available to you or are out of season, you can use any mint chocolate cookies you like, or I have a video showing how you can make your own, and I'll put a link in the description box. Process them until they're crushed up and form fine crumbs. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl and add in the melted butter and mix them until they're well combined. Pour the mixture into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. Spread and press it all over the bottom and up the sides. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. To make the filling, in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes until they're light and smooth. Then add in the cold, heavy cream and mint extract. Mix them on low speed until the mixture starts to thicken. Then beat it on high speed until the mixture is thick. This is whipping the cream in the mixture, so you don't want to over whip it or the mixture can separate. Roughly chop up the thin mints. Add them into the mixture and fold them in until they're combined. Remove the chilled crust from the fridge. Pour the filling into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. Cover it in plastic wrap. And refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or overnight until it's well chilled. To make the mint chocolate ganache, in a small bowl, add in the semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate bars. Heat the heavy cream on the stove until it starts to boil, and pour it into the bowl. Push the chocolates down so it's all submerged. Let it sit for a minute to let the heavy cream melt the chocolate. And stir it until it's well combined and smooth. Add in the mint extract and mix it in until it's combined. Remove the chilled pie from the fridge. Pour about 3/4 of the ganache on top of it. And spread it out until it's even. Place it back into the fridge for at least 30 minutes until the ganache is set. Once it's set, remove it from the fridge. Pipe some whipped cream around the edges. Drizzle the remaining ganache on top of the whipped cream. If the ganache is too thick, just warm it slightly in the microwave to make it more runny. Then finish it off with some Thin Mints. I'm using half Thin Mints because I think they look nicer than whole ones. To make clean slices when you serve, run a sharp knife under some hot water, and then cut out a slice. And that's how to make a no-bake Thin Mints cookie pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.